Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the clip in the timeline and opening the inspector so you can access parameters that accept keyframes. Once the inspector is visible, choose a parameter like position, zoom, or opacity. These are the ones that show diamond icons. Make sure you have the track and clip active because inactive clips won't display controls. You'll see small diamond buttons beside values. Clicking a diamond sets the first keyframe. From here, you're ready to move to the timeline keyframe controls. Once done with the inspector, go to the Edit page and open the keyframe editor underneath the timeline so you can see each diamond plotted over time. You can scrub the playhead and add keyframes by clicking the diamond next to a parameter or by using the plus button in the editor. Make sure to zoom the timeline horizontally for finer placement. Pinching or using the zoom sliders reveals tighter intervals. If you need numeric precision, use inspector values while the playhead is on a keyframe. Finish by refining motion with the curves or spline view for adjustable easing and interpolation. This is where motion looks natural. If you're in Fusion, switch to the spline editor to see node-based keyframes and adjust tangents. Make sure to save often. Once satisfied, play back at full resolution to confirm timing. If keyframes seem missing, check that the clip is selected, the track isn't locked or muted, and that the inspector or keyframe panel isn't collapsed. Unlocking those will.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.